Hello, I am Shilpa Upadhyay and I am a Senior Development Manager for the eCube BI product. eCube BI is a rapid solution for providing actionable insight using various visualizations and dashboards. Let's see how to create quick visualizations and dashboards in this demonstration. We are now logged into the Build and Play module of eCube BI, where the user will retrieve a cube in order to create a report. This particular cube fetches change notice data from a PLM system. As soon as you retrieve the cube, it displays the data in the form of a chart and tabular data at the bottom, which we refer to as the cube grid. At the bottom, you see the semantic mapper window, which is used for creating the cubes. For now, we will close this window and concentrate on the report creation process. On the left hand side is the cube panel, which is used for creating and managing the dimensions, measures and hierarchies. New dimensions, new hierarchies or hierarchy levels can be created using the cube panel. Let's create a new hierarchy of program, date and changes. This can be done using simple and powerful drag and drop options. Let's drag and drop the creation date onto the changes so that you create a hierarchy of 3 levels. Configure the date level by changing its format to month. You can drag and drop the hierarchy onto the chart or onto the cube grid. The chart will now have actual amount on the y-axis and a hierarchy on the x-axis. Similarly, the cube grid will now have the hierarchical information of program, date and changes. It is very easy to drop other measures on the chart. As soon as you drop budgeted amount on the chart, a question will be asked whether you want to place this measure on a y-axis or whether you want to stack up the two measures on top of each other. You can configure the chart by clicking on the setting icon for the chart. We are providing a title to the chart as actual versus budgeted. You can modify the x-axis label to amounts. Now let's see how to enhance this visualization by adding another chart. From the ribbon menu at the top, select the chart that you want to add. You can decide the placement of the chart based on the gray sections that appear on all sides of the existing chart. We want to create the pie chart to show all the open changes per program, and therefore we have dragged and dropped the open changes onto the chart. Again, using the setting icon, you can provide other configurations to the chart. The two charts and the cube grid are referred to as the widgets. It is possible to link all the 3 widgets. For that, go to the setting accordion and click on Set Link. You can select which widgets you want to link. By linking, we mean when you drill down on one chart, the other charts or the cube grid will also be drilled down or drilled up. Pages are different perspectives of your data. You can create multiple pages to create multiple visualizations. You can provide a different name to the page based on the report or the dashboard that you have created. On the second page, Let's drop another chart, which is the tree map. Tree map is a different visualization of the hierarchical data in the form of rectangles. To make the report interesting, engaging and visually stimulating, you can apply different themes to the reports. Out of the box, we have provided a few themes which you can apply to your reports. But you can also create your own custom themes and apply them to the report. These themes are applicable to all the pages or all the perspectives for the report. We are now providing a name to the second page, which is, say, actual amount. Thus, we have seen that it is very easy and quick to create multiple dashboards and visualizations using eCube BI. Finally, you can save the report so that you can retrieve it at a later point in time.